With the lifting of travel restrictions, hotels are adjusting their operating models based on three key trends. Firstly, serving a different mix of customers, including domestic and returning international leisure travel and digital nomads working remotely. Secondly, dealing with lower staffing levels, higher energy prices, and increased sustainability goals. Finally, in a post-pandemic world, there is an even greater need to create safe, comfortable, and relaxing spaces for guests. With over 70 years of HVAC expertise, Hitachi Cooling and Heating is delivering practical ways to address these trends. Our latest VRF technology unlocks a range of advanced features for spaces throughout the hotel, including guest rooms, meeting rooms, gyms, restaurants, and even kitchens. Primary split systems are cost-effective for independently operated areas or separate buildings, while our modular and standalone chillers provide enhanced efficiency for large spaces. These solutions enable hotels to serve different types of customer, including HVAC seamlessly into building plans or refurbs with the flexibility to adapt to changing needs. With automation and efficiency built into our products, hotels can reduce energy costs, simplify maintenance, and meet sustainability goals. Finally, Hitachi's 3R framework, right temperature, right feeling, and right purity, empowers hotels to create safe, comfortable, and relaxing spaces for guests, controlling exactly how surroundings feel through smart air management. Power your hotel with Hitachi and foresee a comfortable, safe, and sustainable future.